Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Right for the Sweet Fruit family, you know what I mean? I original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa. I represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Yes, Sweet Squad. So it's another adventure. I'm here at my dad's farm again. But girl have on tights. So I just grab one of my father pants them because I can't make the mosquito or whatever, then I bush bite up my nice clean legs. So yeah, I go put on the pants, you know, guys, and hide off my leg them and thing. And I go bush. Yeah. We're gonna dig yam. And yeah, I go see if I still have my skills. Yeah, Sweet Squad, ready for the bush. Yeah, go down in the bush now. Go show you guys how they prepare the yam. Well, dig yam, we dig yam, Sweet Squad. So check in, guys. Yeah, Sweet Squad. So we're going down in the gully now. Yes, brasta. I have to take my time, you know, cause this no, this look like, what kind of tree? This look like, if an a pear tree,
It's a pear.
a pear. Back in the bush with my dad this time, there's no mangoes, but everything is just starting to bear. If you look up, you can see some jackfruit on the tree there. Yeah, so them not ready as yet. Yeah. So yeah, let me continue. I'll catch this bombard star. Yeah. Yes.
I started digging this yam now.
So what kind of yam this year we are gonna dig?
White yam.
White yam.
People
So
call it sweet yams. They have one they call near renter. Well, I don't have any renter today.
yeah. So this a white yam we are go. So how you know like which part the yam they fi dig? How you know? Or how you know the yam ready?
My yam right now don't carry any vine right now because the vine dry. See here?
Okay. So when it dry, you know it's ready to dig.
Right. It's no must, but see here, that's the yam there right there. But I have to break it big.
Yeah.
Get me?
Yeah.
So you know what else I yam there. So.
Yeah, I wanna know say yam there right here, so.
Let's say yam right.
Yam there right here, so
Yeah,
too.
we go to yam out the side.
Oh. Yes, Sweet Squad. So catch this, guys. Digging some white yam. Yeah, so I'm have to basically dig around where the yam is so you don't break it or dig into the yam.
From another something because it's have to beat off little mosquito off of my face. Fix the dirt.
Yeah.
And you don't run away. Yeah. I don't know how to try to find the headache first.
I try to find the head of the yam. Okay.
Yes. Go down to it. Hold on.
You find it?
No, hold on.
Oh.
Oh, this is the top. At the plant.
That's the way you plant.
Right.
Oh. Yes, Sweet Squad. We can see the yam there. Yeah. Yeah, man, see, nice piece of yam there, guys. White yam. Nice with some curry chicken or anything you choose.
I don't make hill for my yam, you know. I make hole. Dig a yam hole.
Yam hole.
Yeah. You have enough guys that make hail, lots of hail. But I make hole.
Okay. Why you make hole? Any specific
Because
reason?
you pack it with the trash and all those things.
Yeah.
Good. So when you go to dig it now, it come like you're digging a light post hole.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sweets got a good time. Good time I put on the pants because the mosquito them start for me hand, yeah. It's a nice, fresh, sweet blood come.
Ready for the road.
Ready for the road.
Right. Short there, man.
Yeah.
To the dry, hold them back.
Nice.
Say burnt up.
Yeah, go.
Patch them out first, you know. Find this soft. Those are the wall I dig out.
Oh.
That the yam can go down.
The sweets got you see what I am the big.
It's not really a digger, this, you know. It's a mash it.
Mash it.
Clear away.
Yes, guys, so the mango is just starting to bear. Let's try bring it up a bit closer so you can see. Lots of mango is on the tree and blossom. Yeah, no mango time yet, so they just start to bear basically. Yeah. So you have to dig like a real light post, you dig for real. So you have to dig it wide, that's you know, juke up the yam.
Right. If it go too near, you're going to juke the yam.
Oh. Yeah, man, it look like it's a big monster yam again, you know, because him always blessed with some nice big yam. Definitely I go have piece of this yam with some curry chicken or something. How you want it with, baby? Curry chicken? Ackee and saltfish. Yeah, man. You know, when I eat no ackee from me come, do every time I come, I get no feast I eat. Oh, your dad?
Sure, tree there.
Yeah, so the ackee tree there, guys, but every time I come, I can't get no ackee from your side. Me always have
Not
to go
your
buy
time
it.
to get ackee off it.
Every time I always come the wrong time of year. See there? The ackee them not ready yet at all. Yo, the ackee tree along though. This ackee tree along. You have to use stick. Can't climb this, yeah?
Leather, I use.
A leather. Okay.
You can leather. I'm trying to go for the 100 up. You know, my hold on and get up.
So you climb the ladder from way down there, so.
And down and go
And
up.
then you, when you reach on the hand there, so now, you just, you have to top climb tree now, you know, you're just
A long time.
you're young boy. What kind of tree you climb? Top climb tree now, man. You're not a baby anymore, you know. You're not getting young. If you drop off of that, you're fat.
Drop off my name of Jesus.
In the name of the Lord, yeah. Yes, man.
You see, them work, you know, so I used to do it from a little bit.
Yep.
So you just come like when
Expert.
you drive a car, you get used to it. No matter
Yeah.
if you can set your eye and know say a corner of the road here, so
Yes.
that's why enough people get in an accident. You know, they say, "Aye,
That's true, man.
eh."
So, are you bonfire right there, so? Because I see a lot
Yeah.
of bushfire, you know.
Yeah.
When I was coming down, I see a lot of bushfire. Even we were in Portland yesterday, and a big fire brigade all over the place.
Yeah,
a big
them-
bushfire.
Well,
But
it's about the place at you know, because
Why
sometimes when they listen all over, so some fire turn up all over. They not. Yeah.
But it happened early this time of year, because it not summer yet for the time, so well get hot for the place get so dry.
Yeah, man, we dry time, them a time out here.
Boss Clemus, yo. This I am a big lakawa.
I thought there's something man no come out yet.
Jeez. Yes, you know where I see so far, Dad? Like, from your knee, go down with your foot there. You want to see. And it's still a dig. Yeah. But I can't see the... Exactly.
And I'm plant it, man. We plant it, you know.
Wow.
Wow. Somebody send me to it and have a look.
You know
And
where
you
you put
look
on
and
your
you can't
things.
find where you look for. You know my things there.
What you mean? Your territory, your market. Yeah.
Right, remember next year I'm over there, so see you know they get it. You understand? Come here, tell me say if the 1 or 2 small like I not for dig.
So
Yeah, but-
basically, you're happy with this because
Yeah.
you wasn't expecting it to be so big.
Well, me look for bigger too. But we give thanks because we can't bear it, yeah?
Yes.
I will give thanks for what God.
So how long this take for beer since, well, ready from planting it?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year me.
That's great.
1 year me dig my thing then because right now. Me not like dig young so. Get me?
Wow.
Like when them come to perfection.
Yeah, man.
That's why you see banana sometimes ripe all on a tree.
Yeah.
Which our next man him chop it all when he can't ripe my chop.
So how long banana take for you?
1 year.
1 year too?
Yeah.
What?
Even them black cocoa there. Already that ready now, right? Now if you draw that you see cocoa underneath it. You know.
Cocoa.
Yeah.
This is a cocoa. Oh, you know cocoa from Dashin. They leave them smaller, bigger.
Different.
You know it different, you know.
Yeah. It different.
That's a cocoa too down there, so?
That.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. And this is our cocoa?
Which one?
This year.
Yeah.
So, are the Dashi they used to call it bullet?
No.
The cocoa?
Dashi, yeah, right.
Yeah,
Dashi
Dashi
call
they used to call it bullet.
Yeah. Yeah. You have to cut the vein
You have to cut the vein.
to get it out there now. Find the bottom, you know.
Find it now.
Yeah, the bottom here.
Yeah.
Bottom there, so.
Wow.
Yeah. You see, I'm here now stand up like a light post.
Yes, guys, look how big that is. Yes.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
many more I'm dig bigger on this.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
But I cannot
But
bear it. so
That's
I
a
give
good
God
one, though. That's a big one. Let me see how heavy that is. Yeah, guys. So, this is the yam that my dad just dig. Yeah. So big this is. Massive yam. And it have good weight as well. This way maybe one, yeah, man, about 10 pound or so, don't it? Yeah, man. Yeah.
Can't believe.
Yes, man, that's a good one. Yes, sweet squad. So that's how they dig yam. Yeah, man. The yam are big and nice. Go eat piece of it. So check in, guys, because we're going to cook some food and enjoy a piece of the yam here. Yep, from my daddy's hands. So hold on, you know. So this bit now you're going to plant back.
Right.
Oh.
This plant back.
I'll make more yam next year. This time ready again. So what you gonna do now?
Pack back the hole.
You're gonna pop back the hole.
Yeah.
To plant back your yam head for you make more yam next year.
Right.
Yeah, man, you have to do that. Keep the food growing. Yeah. You're gonna pop back your light hole where you dig out.
Oh. So this is the deaf ears now. This turn the deaf ears. So when you plant it now, you turn up the deaf ears. You don't turn it down.
Okay.
This now, you want to see vine burst here, so,
Mm-hmm.
and vine go burst around here, so again.
Mm-hmm.
So you go and get a double yam.
Yeah, okay. So that one you go massive. Yeah, man, that's why you think them always big because you know exactly what you're doing basically. So you literally plant that back then?
Yeah. Respond seat again so till when eating time.
Mm.
Also.
So basically the first piece you take out before you start digging it, so that I go just dry up and then you just take it off again.
Aye.
Oh, and then it just
So
have a nice
I
food
kill myself
underneath.
like how you see man a bush
Mm-hmm.
digging some hill
Yeah.
and them look away. I just make my own
Mm-hmm.
hills.
Yes. Yes, guys.
So
So,
yeah. The one day.
now the bush with my father, yeah. I have my daddy pants. We don't want them mosquito them bite up my foot. Yes, my father. Bush again we said today, innit? Yeah, man. So you chop one banana too?
Don't clear the gutter.
Eh? You go chop one banana too?
But I don't know if the one there, which what I told them, I don't know which one of them you read.
Anyone, one same good. You know your thing.
The one that still look like the leaf, Jaya.
So that means maybe that one there better. That one they look fitter over there, so still, you know.
Well, they fit a one more.
Then that one the fitter man, cause you
Well, I'm going to take up this one your foot here.
more of the leaf them dry up as you say. So that means I would say it's ready. So I'm gonna let this one stay on the tree and start ripe. Yeah, guys. So we're going to chop this banana now. Yeah.
Just walk behind the banana.
All right.
Just walk behind. If rain was falling, all the banana, the finger them not bigger, you know.
Oh, mommy used to use them and make hot the banana string hot them.
Yeah.
Nice, pretty hot them.
Your mother is easy, you know everything about that thing.
Yes, man, I feel that to use this part of the
Body of them skill.
this something. Yeah, man, your skill alright, yeah, so your body not the feel, yeah. Some nice organic food.
I hold it. Through the dry, I hold it. I am dead, you know.
Yeah? Oh.
And everybody hear about some nothing yet from PC eat.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah. Boy, come closer, you know.
I have to clear the way, that's it.
Yeah.
That's the way.
Yes, Sweet Squad. So we're going to get that banana there, that nice banana there. For go do yam. Yeah. Yes, so in order to get the banana, I have to chop the tree. Yeah. Timber! Yeah.
Fine then, man.
Fine. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice. Yes, bro. Look at that, guys. How you go banana? Stand up, push by there. Yes, guys. Look how the banana, they big and nice. Ready up.
So,
Yes.
we'll take back the walk. At the walk.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, man.
I want to start it. No, wala ang panis because this is susumba. It's kaya
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, be makare pani.
Right. No, wala nothing.
Yeah, man.
Coming?
Yeah, man.
I want to help you. Put your foot at the banana root.
You're so flat?
Right. You can't mash down there. So.
Alright.
I tell you for walk. Up there.
Yeah, man. Your production, yeah?
My protection.
Your production. Up there.
Up there.
More
Thank you,
food.
Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. More food.
Blessing.
Blessings. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Okay, guys. Right, I saw a nice banana there again. Yeah, not quite ready yet. So I want 20 banana there, bro.
Watch
You see
it.
21? One twin one, did they grade a 2 twin one? You see them, Marshaki? Yeah, man.
Small
You see?
banana that's still in.
See all one with a banana there, right there, so.
Come and see, you see that one there fully.
Yeah. But this a color low. But it a weed, you know.
I need to see them to plant, that's why I don't cut it through the
So
time.
this are the seed.
Yeah, but
Plant
the bird
to
them
make
still
more.
come and get a feed.
So which cane we go chop, you know?
Alright, I'm going to get that one up for the first one.
Which
alright.
one? Whew. Start sweat, guys. Have a chop cane, you know. Showing us the real country girl. Yeah, it's in me still. Catch my big ones, yeah. That's good. I'm going to chop that one, yeah. So,
Yeah.
I'm going to chop off the head. Alright, so chop it, boy, yeah, so? Or further up?
If you want, cut it up, but you can cut it. Yeah, anyway, they say you want to cut it.
Alright, let me see how good me is now, guys. Yeah! Country girl, real country girl. So, how am I going to do this now?
Alright, just hold it up on the cane. Don't bother chop down it. Just
Yeah.
hold it up and dry it. Just dry it and it break.
Pull it.
Yeah, put most of the.
More, okay,
Frost,
so that's the
yeah.
broke from the root.
Well, use the machine then, because you can't fight it, man. No, you left too much.
You must forget the root. We left the sweetest part I can to back side. Alright?
Chop it out.
Well, me try. Still get a nice piece, but we want the root because that's the sweetest piece
Let
I
me chop
can.
it out, no?
Alright? Here, man. I'm going to go for your root now, guys. Whee.
So now, eh?
Yeah. Have the gungo peas up there, so. Green gungo peas. Check in from
Just wash your hand, make it proper. No, cut it.
Oh. Alright.
Okay, you can't care of that.
Yeah. Alright. Clean my teeth, you know.
This is what? What kind of plants is that, ma'am?
This look like the real marijuana.
Yeah, lamb's
This
bread.
is the what?
Lamb's bread.
Lamb's bread.
Right.
Yeah, man. It's a real deal. Yeah, man.
Look over here again.
Some more lamb's bread over here.
That's lamb's bread. Then you can plant them on night dry.
Yeah. And nevertheless, a tree of life.
This is garlic.
It's a garlic. Yeah. Okay.
Garlic.
I think, look how much that's a fever grass.
Garlic.
Yeah. Nice
This
plant.
is ginger. Hot ginger.
Ginger. Oh,
Wait, I'm not about to say you want hot ginger.
this a ginger?
Hot ginger?
You ready? You not ready?
The one is not ready yet.
Oh,
The one I last one. Watch I know. You see it? Watch me you know.
tree of life.
See it? They might try it ready, you know, but them dry it out.
Oh, what that there? The ginger again? Oh.
It's a potato, but it's not ready one. But me have some big one there still.
So this are the...
Want me to dig already, because them are dry down and hard to find them here now.
Yeah.
You
You
get
have enough tree of life, man. Yes, sweet squad. Thanks for joining us on the adventure. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Until the next vlog. See you.